everybody. This is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. Lulu, say hi. She's not interested. Always looking for those squirrels. And today we're going to talk about my asparagus. It's UC 157 F1. UC 157 F1 asparagus variety, a heat tolerant variety. Could be 110 degrees here with a hot wall also hitting it, and it'll still want to push out growth. I'm going to show you, I have many videos about this asparagus patch. I also grow purple passion, and that's in the afternoon shade. This soil probably now has been a foot to a foot and a half of wood chips decomposing over time with fish emulsion and seaweed extract, and seaweed from the ocean. Just seaweed from the ocean, rinsed the salt off and just buried it over time, so over the years. And that's it. I don't water that often in this location either. You can see how thick the stalk gets as well now, and how high it can go before it ferns out. So this is about 3.5 feet high. Now down here is probably where it's really delectable. This much is probably a little stringy, but it's still edible. So that's about 1.5 foot spear. In about a week or two, this will all be full of ready to eat asparagus. You can see them popping up saying, hello, I'm here, what's up? See them? There's one, there's some more. There's one trying to peek through. So all this will be ready very soon. I'll also include in this video a lot of links to older videos where how I grow white asparagus or how I grow asparagus in the fall. I'll have 6 to 6.5 month production of this patch here. I'll get from January, the mid-January all the way up to mid-April, and then I'll get from October 1st to November 15th, somewhere around there. I'll have asparagus that long. So about 5.5 to 6.5 months of asparagus, not just 2-3 months. My biggest suggestion for asparagus is plant it now. If you're considering asparagus, buy it now. Don't wait, because it takes time to get the crowns as large as possible. So I planted these all originally here. You can see the original line of growth, and you can see how far this grew out. That's not a separate seedling. That's the crown getting that big. So they're really, really cool looking. Let me pull this out. And oh, here's another little tip. If you're growing nice, decomposed wood chips and compost, you can pull out weeds, root and all, so gently, just like that. No tools, no nothing. Nice and easy. Don't have to worry about, especially if you have asparagus. You don't want to bring a tool in this. Imagine you put a tool through this, you could ruin the crown or ruin the asparagus. Nothing says spring like asparagus. So if you start seeing asparagus in your garden, spring is there or spring is coming soon. Happy gardening, everyone.